Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. While launching the Steam using the Steam tools, the Steam is not even opening. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, click on Start menu and type in PowerShell. You need to choose the option Run as Administrator. Now right in this PowerShell, you need to paste a command. I'll share the link of this command right in the description of this video. Copy this script and paste right in the PowerShell. After pasting, hit the enter key. This will go ahead and update the Steam as it is showing right over here. Once downloading and updating the Steam is finished, go ahead and restart your system, and this will fix out the issue of Steam not opening or Steam not launching. You can see, I hope this way you will be able to log in onto the Steam. Although if this method failed to work out, in next step you need to open up your web browser and download Steamtools by opening this official website of the Steamtools. Click on the option Get It Now and choose the option Download Setup. Download this Steamtool setup into your PC. After downloading Steamtools, you need to download Millennium. Again, click on the option Install Now. Click on the Windows link. Save the Millennium into your system. Now when both the programs are downloaded, Steamtools as well as Millennium, first of all you need to install the Steam and then install the Millennium. After installing both the programs, you need to restart your PC and launch the Steam, and hopefully this time the Steam will be able to launch and the issue of Steam not opening or launching will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.